Wake up to a world of delicious and nutritious breakfasts that will not only tantalize your taste buds, but also help you shed those extra pounds. Imagine starting your day with a meal that's as wholesome as it is flavorful. We're about to explore 3 simple yet satisfying breakfast recipes, each packed with nutrients to fuel your day and support your weight loss goals. So, buckle up, food lovers. Prepare to embark on a culinary journey that will redefine your mornings and shape your health. Our first stop is a protein-packed scrambled tofu, a vegan delight that's both nutritious and satisfying. This dish is as simple as crumbling tofu into a pan and seasoning with your favorite spices. Tofu is a fantastic source of protein, helping to keep you fuller for longer. Not only does it aid in muscle recovery and growth, it also assists in weight management. So the next time you're looking for a breakfast that fuels your day and supports your weight loss journey, consider scrambled tofu. With this protein-packed breakfast, you'll be powered up for the day while staying on track with your weight loss goals. Next up is a bowl of fiber-rich overnight oats, a creamy, delightful breakfast that requires minimal morning effort. Simply combine oats, your choice of milk, a touch of sweetener, and let it sit overnight. By morning, you've got a filling, nutritious meal waiting for you. Oats are a powerhouse of fiber, which aids digestion and promotes a feeling of fullness, helping curb those pesky cravings. So not only are you enjoying a tasty breakfast, but you're also supporting your weight loss goals. With these overnight oats, you're not just feeding your body, but also aiding your weight loss journey with every delicious spoonful. Our final recipe is an antioxidant-loaded berry smoothie, a refreshing and invigorating way to start your day. This smoothie is packed with berries, nature's candy, but with a healthful twist. Berries are loaded with antioxidants. These tiny powerhouses support your overall health and weight loss journey by reducing inflammation and promoting heart health. So you're not just sipping on a delightful drink, you're fueling your body with health-boosting nutrients. This berry smoothie is not just a drink, it's a liquid testament to your commitment to health and weight loss. 3 recipes, countless health benefits, and a step closer to your weight loss goals. We've journeyed through protein-packed scrambled tofu, fiber-rich overnight oats, and antioxidant-loaded berry smoothies. These aren't just meals, they're tools for better health. So take the first step towards a healthier you, one breakfast at a time.